Wagwan goodies, yeah man, welcome back to your girl channel. You don't know, today I will be making some moist and delicious banana bread. Yeah man, these are all the ingredients that I will be using. I am going to leave the recipe in the description below, but please watch the video for the step-by-step method. It is really important to follow this method, so watch the video. Okay goodies, so first we're going to mix the dry ingredients. So I'm adding the flour, and I'm going to add some baking soda and some salt. You want to also add your spices to the flour, like your nutmeg and your cinnamon powder, and you just want to mix this in properly, combine everything nicely, and then we're going to set this aside. Okay, so now we're gonna cream the butter. Make sure that your butter is at room temperature and it is soft. I'm using unsalted butter, but if you're using salted butter, do not add the salt to the dry ingredients. So here I'm adding some granulated sugar to my soft room temperature butter, and I'm just going to whip this until it is light and fluffy. Okay, so we're whipping I think I whipped for about 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, so now we are going to whip our eggs. We're going to add them one by one. Okay. Okay, so after you finish whipping your eggs, we're going to add the vanilla. Alright, goodies, so now that we're finished with that, we're going to prepare our bananas. We need 3 overripe bananas. So we're just going to mash them with your fork or your potato masher. Make sure, though, goodies, that you use overripe bananas. Okay? If you have small chunks of bananas in there, that's totally fine. So we're going to add our wet ingredients to our dry ingredients, and we're going to just fold that in, and we don't want to over mix. Okay, so as soon as the flour and everything combined, stop folding it in, stop mixing it. All right. Okay, goodies, so this is the consistency that you should have. This is what your batter should be looking like. Okay, make sure you have this consistency. So what we're going to do now, we're going to transfer this to our grease baking pan. So I have a 9-inch baking pan right here. I'm going to add the batter to. Lightly grease your baking pan, and we are going to bake this at 350 degrees for about 50 to 60 minutes, or until you insert a toothpick in the middle and it comes out clean. It's about 35 minutes. It's still jiggly, so it's not done yet. All right, so it's about 55 minutes in, I checked it with my toothpick and it is good. So what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to brush this over with my honey mixture. So it's just honey with a little bit of water just to get it a little runny so I can brush it over my bread. This is optional, but I just love to do it like this. So you can try it out and let me know what you think about it. Try my banana bread recipes. I'm telling you all, it's the best. I'm going to cut into it so you can see the inside as well. After you brush it, leave it in the pan for about 20 minutes and then remove it from the pan and let it cool, finish cooling on a cooling rack. And then you can just cover it up after that to keep it moist. All right, my good friends. So please leave me a comment if you're new here, goodies. Remember to like, share, subscribe to the channel, man. Don't hesitate to subscribe. It is free and you have more amazing recipes coming. Whole lot more amazing recipes that I don't want to miss. So this is the inside goodies. See what it looks like. Very delicious. The whole family will love it. All right. Until next time, thanks for the support. Thanks for watching. I love you guys. God go with you all.